All right, we have another cruise ship that has returned back into service, and we have a rebranding of a cruise line. Get into all of it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, the Norwegian Dawn. She has returned back into service, sailing from Tampa, Florida. And this is Norwegian Cruise Line's 10th cruise ship to return back into service. So, welcome back, Norwegian Dawn. And it looks like the Bahamas Paradise cruise line, well, that cruise line is no more, at least no more Bahamas Paradise cruise line. And their former cruise ship, the Grand Classica, well, she is going to be renamed, and they're going to name her the Margaritaville Paradise. So, in a rebranding, the Margaritaville Resorts and Hotels, well, they're going to operate the former Bahamas Paradise cruise line and rebrand it under a new name, Margaritaville At Sea. And the Margaritaville Paradise, well, that's going to be their first cruise ship out of what they hope is going to be many more cruise ships. The Grand Classica, well, she's going to go in for an extensive refit, get renamed, get redone, and should start resuming sailing as the Margaritaville Paradise at the end of April 2022. Now, they will be continuing with the 2-night sailings from Palm Beach, Florida, down to Freeport in the Grand Bahamas. So the cruises are going to be the same. They're going to operate the same itinerary. So this will just simply be a joining of the two operations. Like I said, the Grand Bahamas Cruise Line, rebranding under the Margarita Resorts and Hotels. We're excited about this new partnership as we launch Margaritaville At Sea out of Port of Palm Beach. We are incredibly proud of what we built at Bahamas Paradise Cruise Line and are appreciative of our loyal customers and trade partners who have stood by us through so much. We're excited about this next phase of our evolution, rebranding as Margaritaville At Sea. The collaborative concept will add a different dimension to the cruising industry, appealing to a new audience of travelers, added O'Neill Kosha, CEO of Bahamas Paradise Cruise Line, who will serve as CEO of Margaritaville At Sea. Margaritaville At Sea will provide guests with Margaritaville's authentic culture, entertainment, and food en route to a beautiful destination in Grand Bahama Island. The experience will be complemented by an unmatched, personalized approach to guest service from start to finish via valet service and exclusive cruise terminals for smoother embarkation and disembarkation. It is the perfect partnership in paradise, Kosha said. All right, so there we go, Margaritaville At Sea with the Margaritaville Paradise. Now we'll have to see how she looks after refit, see what amenities that they're going to offer on the cruise ship, and what is going to make it different from the Bahamas Paradise cruise line that they are currently sailing. Once they get out there, start sailing, we have a little more information, a little bit to look at. Of course, we'll definitely let everybody know. Now, has anybody out there ever sailed on Bahamas Paradise cruise line? And what do you guys think about this rebranding and this name change? All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.